How Iran built a strategic airport on Abu Musa Island in the heart of the Persian Gulf. In the middle of the Persian Gulf, surrounded by some of the world's most important shipping lanes, lies a small island that has become one of the most strategically significant locations in the Middle East, Abu Musa Island. At first glance, Abu Musa appears to be nothing more than a remote rocky island surrounded by blue waters. But its location near the Strait of Hormuz, one of the busiest energy corridors on Earth, has made it a focal point of regional security, military planning, and geopolitical competition for decades. Every day, a significant portion of the world's oil shipments pass through the narrow waters near Abu Musa. Control of this area provides a powerful strategic advantage, allowing monitoring of maritime traffic moving between the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. This geographical reality is one of the main reasons Iran invested heavily in infrastructure on the island. Among the most ambitious projects ever undertaken on Abu Musa was the construction of a modern airport. Building an airport on a small island in the middle of the sea was far from simple. Engineers first had to prepare the terrain, stabilize coastal areas, and create infrastructure capable of supporting aircraft operations in harsh marine conditions. Strong winds, high temperatures, salty air, and limited construction resources presented enormous logistical challenges. Materials, machinery, and workers had to be transported across the Gulf before construction could even begin. The airport project officially entered a major development phase during the mid-1990s. According to reports at the time, the first phase included the construction of a passenger terminal and a runway capable of handling commercial aircraft such as Boeing 727 and Boeing 737 jets. The project was completed in approximately 14 months and covered hundreds of hectares on the island. Today, Abu Musa Airport features a runway nearly 3,000 meters long, allowing it to accommodate both civilian and military operations. The airport serves as a vital transportation link connecting the island with mainland Iran, while also strengthening Tehran's logistical capabilities in the region. However, the significance of the airport extends far beyond transportation. Abu Musa sits near one of the world's most important maritime choke points. Because of this, military analysts often view the airport as part of a broader network of infrastructure that includes ports, radar installations, and defensive facilities positioned around the Strait of Hormuz. These facilities enable rapid deployment of personnel and equipment while increasing situational awareness over nearby shipping routes. The island itself remains the subject of a long-standing territorial dispute between Iran and the United Arab Emirates. Iran administers Abu Musa, while the UAE continues to claim sovereignty over the island. The disagreement has persisted since the early 1970s and remains a sensitive diplomatic issue in the Gulf region. Despite political controversies, construction on Abu Musa has continued over the years. Roads, residential facilities, port improvements, and airport upgrades have transformed what was once a remote island outpost into a significant strategic location. For Iran, the airport represents more than just an engineering achievement. It is a symbol of logistical reach, territorial administration, and strategic presence at the entrance to the Persian Gulf. For military observers, it demonstrates how geography can shape national security priorities. And for engineers, it stands as an example of how complex infrastructure can be built in one of the most challenging environments in the region. From a remote island surrounded by strategic waterways to a modern air transportation hub, the story of Abu Musa Airport reveals the intersection of engineering, geography, and geopolitics in one of the world's most critical maritime regions. As global attention continues to focus on the Strait of Hormuz, Abu Musa Island and the airport built upon it will likely remain an important piece of the region's strategic landscape for years to come.
All right, back it up right there. Dump the load. Watch that beam coming through the opening. Hold it steady, bring it down slow. Bring it down slowly, watch the left side.
Lowering sequence initiated. Confirmed. Hold the line steady, we're drifting left.
Side. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Locked in.
See now. Holding steady. Looks aligned.
Trucks deliver equipment while workers connect the vital utility systems. The flow pattern looks good heading into Channel 3.
Confirmed.
Tower to ground simulation test is active. All navigation lights green.
Terminal lighting is stable across all sectors.
Phase alignment is complete. Requesting activation sequence.
Simulation vehicles are tracking the guidance lines precisely.
Structures.
All right, bring it down. Easy now, easy.
Okay, try the calibration sequence now. Running the
Monitoring response time for sector Gamma. Currently at 45 seconds.
Roger that. Confirming all systems show green. Airspeed looks nominal. Confirmed. Confirms alignment on section 3.
Activating glide path indicators.
Runway 29er left inspection is complete. Systems green for operation. That's the last connection secured. Tracking prepare for simulated touchdown at marker 53. Monitoring. Pavement sensors are nominal. Data logging steady. Systems check complete. All indicators are green.
Copy that.